Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before going to the main parts introduction of the Panasonic NPM D3 mounter today, please subscribe to the channel to support me first. I will summarize the feeder types of Panasonic chip machines including 9 types. Feeder 8/8 double. It is a component level feeder with a tape width of 8 mm, mainly for small components such as chips and diodes. Type 0402M. 0603M night type material has size 2012 mm. Use 2 types of paper tape and plastic tape. This type of feeder can be installed with 2 materials. 1 roll mounted on the left, and 1 roll mounted on the right for different types of feeders. Second type feeder 12/16. It is a component level feeder with a tape width of 12 mm or 16 mm. From feeder type 12/16 and above, only 1 roll of material can be installed and plastic tape is used. Suitable for this feeder is usually IC, VGA less than 0.8 mm. Feeder 24/32. It is a component level feeder with a tape width of 24 mm or 32 mm. Used for components with sizes from 1 to 2 mm. Feeder 44/56. It is a component level feeder with a tape width of 44 mm or 56 mm. Used to install large components such as sheave john and other components with sizes ranging from 2.5 to 4 mm. Feeder 72, Feeder 88, Feeder 104, Feeder 120, or single feeders of fixed size depending on the size of the material tape. For example, Feeder 72, then the tape width is 72 mm. And finally, the parts supply vehicle and feeder tray. We will learn about feeder tray. Tray feeder pallet is a metal tray designed to be thin and light that can be removed to install the component tray. Tray feeder magazine, so we can load multiple tray feeder pallets with component trays installed. Tray feeder dropper is the part that moves the assembled pallet feeder tray to the pickup position of the mounter. Next is the component release box in the machine. The component release box is used to store components for which the mounter identifies faulty components. When the mounter recognizes the fault, the component will be returned to the component release box. The introduction of feeder types is here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the next videos. Hello and see you in the next videos.